Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another new confirmed airdrop project called Pact Swap. They say swap anything, keep more of what's yours. Basically, Pact Swap is a decentralized crypto exchange that lets you swap coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron directly between blockchains without using bridges or wrapped tokens. If you want to know more information, then you can visit their website. As for the funding, they have raised around $5 million and the project is backed by DNA. If you visit their X profile, you'll see they have 44k followers right now and they share lots of updates there, which means they are active and building a strong community. Another positive sign. Before joining the project, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description. You can join now. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. So click here on connect wallet. Then choose your EVM wallet. You can choose any of the following wallets, but here I'll select MetaMask. Then click connect. And then confirm. And you're ready to go. On the dashboard, you'll see your total collected points. And in the leaderboard section, your rank will depend on how many points you have. The more points you have, the higher your rank will be. And based on that, you'll receive higher rewards. Right now, their loyalty program is live and the airdrop is confirmed based on your points. Here, you will find lots of different tasks. Some of these quests are limited time while others are main quests, and a few keep changing from time to time. In limited quests, you get an early bird multiplier. For example, you'll need to connect your Twitter account, like, comment, and repost a particular post. Then you'll get a 1.2x multiplier on your points. To complete this, click on Connect X. If you see an error page, simply refresh the page. Then authorize the app. After that, click Go to Post. You need to like, repost, and comment on that post. After that, click on Claim. If you see this message, simply go to your X profile, copy the repost link, come back here, click on Enter Link, paste the link, and click on Claim. And now your multiplier is activated. Next, let's complete the main tasks. First, you'll find the referral option. Click Get My Referral Link. Here you'll find your link which you can share with your friends and social media to earn extra points. Next, you need to follow them on X. Click Go to Account. Then follow their profile. Go back and claim. And you'll get 100 points for that. Next, you need to connect your Discord account. Click Connect Discord. If this error appears, simply refresh the page and then authorize. Then again, click See More. Accept the invite. And click Join the Pact. Click Next. Choose any of the following options and then click Finish. Here you need to select the Verify option. Then again click on Verify. Then Continue. Solve the CAPTCHA. And after that, you'll see the message saying you're verified. Now go back to the airdrop page, click on Claim. And you're done. Next, you need to connect Telegram by clicking here. Connect your Telegram. Then go back and again click Go to Channel. Join their group. And after joining, go back to the page and click. And you're done. Then there's Set Reward Wallet. You just have to click Claim since you've already connected your wallet. Now here are some daily quests you can also complete. You basically need to like repost, and if it doesn't verify automatically, then copy the post link, paste it here and try to verify. Wait some time for it to confirm. Next, you can post content about PactSwap on Twitter. You have to mention them using @PactSwap or write PactSwap etc. in your post. You can post about how to join or about its features, anything related. You have to post one content daily and you'll probably get 25 points per post. Next, you can also check in daily. You can maintain a streak for up to 30 days. Each daily check-in gives you 25 points. You just have to click the check-in button daily and your quest will be completed. There's also a badge option. You can find badges by being active in their Discord and you can enter the code. As you can see, after completing the task, I have already collected 570 points. So don't forget to complete all the tasks I've shown here. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.